Hello students, welcome back to the class. In the last classes, we learned addition and subtraction. Today we will learn a new topic. Before we start, let's see a small example. Children, we have 4 glasses. I'll put 3 pebbles in each glass. How many pebbles are there in each glass? Yes, 3. What is the total number of pebbles? Yes, 3. What is 3 plus 3? 6. 6 plus 3? 9. 9 plus 3? 12. Yes, we got answer 12 by adding 4 times the number of bubbles in each glass. This is called a repeated addition. Children, this can also be written as number of glasses into number of pebbles in each glass. So, we already learned 4 tables. What is 4 multiplied by 3? Yes, 12. So, how many pebbles? 12 pebbles. Children, we got same answer as repeated addition. Sir, what is multiplication? Yes, repeated addition of the same number. We can say 4 times 3 or 4 multiplied by 3, 4 into 3. So, now you can guess what is our new chapter name. Yes, multiplication. Children, here is a mind map of chapter 7. What is our chapter name? Yes, multiplication. Main topics are meaning and components, multiplication tables, multiplication by skip counting and multiplication facts, multiplication of 2-digit and 3-digit by a 1-digit number, and last, story based on multiplication. Children, our first topic is multiplication. What is multiplication? Yes, multiplication is the repeated addition of the same number, and x, this symbol is used for multiplication. Here 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. 4 is the multiplicand and this is the symbol of multiplication. 3 is the multiplier and 12 is the product. Children, now you understood multiplication terms? Yes, our next topic is multiplication tables. Last year we learned multiplication table up to 5. And in this chapter we will study multiplication table from 6 to 9. Children, I have 6 sketch pens in my hand. And here how many sketch pens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One group I have 6 sketch pens. So how many total number of sketch pens in the group? Yes, 6. So 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Children, now I have 2 groups. One group I have 6 and another group 6. What is the total number of sketch pens? Yes, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So 6 group into group of 2 is equal to 12. Children, like this we can build the table by making group of 6. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. And 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 6 into 5 is equal to 30. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. 6 into 8 is equal to 48. 6 into 9 is equal to 54. And 6 into 10 is equal to 60. Children, next we will study table of 7 like table of 6. We can create table of 7 by making group of 7. So 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7, and 7 into 2 is equal to 14, 7 into 3 is equal to 21, 7 into 4 is equal to 28, 7 into 5 is equal to 35, and 7 into 6 is equal to 42, and 7 into 7 is equal to 49, 7 into 8 is equal to 56, and 7 into 9 is equal to 63, 7 into 10 is equal to 70. Children, like 6 and 7, we can learn next the table of 8. Next, we can create table of 8 by making group of 8. 8 into 1 is equal to 8, and 8 into 2 is equal to 16, 8 into 3 is equal to 24, 8 into 4 is equal to 32, 8 into 5 is equal to 40, 8 into 6 is equal to 48, 8 into 7 is equal to 56, 8 into 8 is equal to 64, 8 into 9 is equal to 72, 8 into 10 is equal to 80. Children, now we can learn our last table of 9 in this chapter. 9 into 1 is equal to 9, 9 into 2 is equal to 18, 9 into 3 is equal to 27, 9 into 4 is equal to 36, 9 into 5 is equal to 45, 9 into 6 is equal to 54, 9 into 7 is equal to 63, 9 into 8 is equal to 72, 9 into 9 is equal to 81, 9 into 10 is equal to 90. Children, hope you understood multiplication table of 6, 7, 8 and 9. Our next topic is multiplication by skip counting. We can use skip counting method to find out the multiplication facts. All are familiar with the number line, right? Yes. Find out the answer of 6 multiplied by 2. We can find out the answer by skipping 2 by 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Children, we'll take another example, 4 multiplied by 3. We can get the answer by skipping 4 by 3. So 1, 2, 3. So what's our answer? Yes, 12. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Children, our next topic is multiplication facts. The first fact is order of multiplication. While multiplying two numbers, even if change the order of the number, the product will be always same. For example, I have 8 pencils in my hand and 4 pencils in my left and 4 pencils in my right hand. And I have 2 groups of 4 pencils, right? What is the total number of pencils? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of pencils I have 8. So 4 into 2 is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Children, now I split the pencils into 4 groups of 2 pencils each. Now I have 2 pencils, 2 pencil and 2 pencil, 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Both times we got the same number of pencils. That means 4 into 2 is equal to 2 into 4. That's same, 8. So children, 4 into 2 is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 4, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. 2 into 4 is equal to 4 into 8, 4 into 2. So both answer 8. It's called order of multiplication. Children, next property is multiplication by 1. Any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. For example, 5 multiplied 1 is equal to 5. 3 multiplied 1 is equal to 3. Children, our next property is multiplication by 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. For example, 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 6 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Children, so far we learned multiplication facts, multiplication table, multiplication by skip counting. Our next topic is multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. We'll take an example. 32 multiplied by 3. Children, for getting the answer, we need to multiply each digit of a multiplicand with multiplier. That means we have to multiply 3 ones and 3 tens. So first, which place? Ones place. 3 into 2, 6. Next which place? Tens place. 3 into 3, 9. So our answer is 96. Children, our next topic is multiplication of 2-digit number by a 1-digit number with regrouping. Children, we already learned while regrouping we can write 10 tens is equal to 100 and 10 ones is equal to 110. We'll take another example. 65 multiplied by 3. We can write in a place value chart 65 and 3. First, which place we have to multiply? Yes, ones place. So 5 into 3, 15. So 5, 15 we can regroup it as 110 and 5 ones. So 5 ones we can write at the ones place and 110 we can write at the tens place. Children, next which place we have to multiply? 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So 9 we can write at the tens place and 1 we can write at the hundreds place. So what's our answer? 195. Children, our next topic is multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. For multiplying 3-digit number, we use the same rule of the 2-digit number. The only difference, we have one more place value, that is 100. The first question, 442 multiplied by 2. We can write in a place value chart 442 multiplied by 2. First, which place we have to multiply? Yes, ones place. Ones place we have 2 and 2. What is 2 into 2? Yes, 2 into 2, 4. Next which place? Tens place. 2 into 4, 8. Next which place? Hundreds place. 100 place we have 2 and 4. 2 into 4, yes, 8. So our answer is 884. Children, we'll take another example. 198 multiplied by 3. We can write in a place value chart 198 multiplied by 3. First, which place we have to multiply? Yes, ones place. Ones place we have 8 and 3. What is 8 into 3? 8 into 3 is 24. 24 we can regroup into 2 tens and 4 ones. So 4 ones we can write at the ones place and 2 tens will carry over to the tens place. Next, which place we have to multiply? Yes, tens place. Tens place we have 9 and 3. What is 9 into 3? Yes, 27. And 2 carryover is there. 27 plus 2, 29. 29 we can regroup into 2 hundreds and 9 tens. So 9 tens we can write at the tens place and 2 hundreds we can write at the hundreds place. Children, next which place we have to multiply? Yes, hundreds place. Hundreds place we have 1. So what is 3 into 1? Yes, 3. And 2 carryover is there. So 3 plus 2, 5. So what's the answer? 594. Children, we'll take another example from the textbook, exercise 7E, first question, 213 multiplied by 3. We can write in a place value chart. 213 multiplied by 3. First, which place we have to multiply? Yes, ones place. Ones place we have 3 and 3. What is 3 into 3? Yes, 9. Next, which place? Tens place. Tens place we have 1 and 3. What is 1 into 3? Yes, 3. Next, which place? Hundreds place. Hundred place we have 2 and 3. What is 2 into 3? Yes, 6. So our answer is 639. Children, we'll take another example from the textbook, exercise 7E, question number H. Multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number with the regrouping. Our question is 137 multiplied by 6. We can write in a place value chart. 137 multiplied by 6. We already learned 6 table. What is 6 into 7? Yes, 42. 42 we can regroup into 4 tens and 2 ones. 2 ones we can write at the ones place and 4 tens we can write at the tens place. Now next which place we have to multiply? Yes, tens place. We have 3 and 6. What is 6 into 3? Yes, 18. And 4 carryover is there. What is 18 plus 4? 18 plus 4, 22. And 22 we can regroup into 2 hundreds and 2 tens. 2 tens we can write at the tens place and 2 will carry over to the hundreds place. Now next which place? Hundreds place. Hundreds place we have 1 and 6. What is 1 into 6? Yes, 6. And 2 carryover is there. What is 6 plus 2? Yes, 822. So our answer is 822. Children, our next topic is stories based on multiplication. We'll take an example from the textbook, exercise 7F, the first question. 58 children can travel in one school bus. How many can travel in 8 such buses? I'll repeat, 58 children can travel in one school bus. How many children can travel in 8 such buses? So, number of children travel in one school bus is equal to number of children travel in one school bus is equal to 58. Number of school bus, number of school buses. How many? How many school buses? Yes, 8. So we have to find 8 such buses. How many children? So total number of children travel in 8 buses is equal to 58 into 8. You can multiply 58 into 8. We already learned 8th table. What is 8 into 8? Yes, 64. So 64 we can regroup into 6 tens and 4 ones. So 4 we can write at the ones place and 6 will carry over to the tens place. Next, which place? Tens place. We have 5 and 8. What is 5 into 8? Yes, 40. And 6 carry over is there. What is 40 plus 6? 464. So 464 children. Children, we'll take another example from the textbook, exercise 7F, question number C. There are 128 marigold flowers in a garland. How many flowers will be there in 7 such garlands? So, number of flowers, number of marigold flowers in one garland is equal to 128. Number of garlands is equal to how many? Yes, 7. We have to find total number of flowers in 7 garlands. So, total number of flowers in 7 garlands is equal to 128 into 7. We can write 128 into 7 is multiplied by 7. 8 into 7, first which place we have to multiply? Ones place. 8 into 7, 56. 56 we can regroup into 5 tens and 6 ones. 6 we can write at the ones place and 5 will carry over to the tens place. Next which place? Tens place we have 2. So 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. So 9 we can regroup into 9 tens and 100. So 9 tens we can write at the tens place and 100 will carry over to the hundreds place. Now we have next which place? Hundreds place. Hundreds place we have 1. What is 1 into 7? Yes, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So what is our answer? 896 flowers. So children, in today's class we have learned multiplication. What is multiplication? Repeated addition of the same number. And multiplication table, table of 6, 7, 8 and 9. And multiplication by skip counting, multiplication facts. What are the facts? Order by multiplication, multiplication by 1 and multiplication by 0. And next what we learned? Multiplication by 2-digit number by 1-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. Multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. Last we learned stories based on multiplication. Hope understood all the topics. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye.